Let me guess, you've tried creating the perfect avatar, but all the gurus out there keep saying the same thing. Go to Leonardo AI, type a detailed prompt, tweak this, tweak that. Boring, right? Well, if you're tired of all that, I've got great news for you. You don't need any fancy tech skills, just a couple of words, and you're good to go. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a talking avatar.
Stick around, because in just a few minutes,
you'll have your very own talking avatar.
Ready to impress your followers like this.
Mamma mia, let the magic happen. We're using a free tool that does almost everything for you. No complicated prompts or settings, just type in a couple of words like funny cat, cool robot. All the links from the tutorial are in the Word document. First, head over to Vivago and sign up. Check out this video of mine for a complete tutorial on how to use the platform. Let's jump into character creation. We'll simply type girl in the prompt. Then we'll pick a nice fair skin color, keeping it simple. We'll go with black eyeballs. Don't worry, it's cool. Next, we'll choose black hair to keep things stylish. There are many costume options to choose from, and we'll go with a short skirt. We'll set the character's mood to happy, no sad faces here. The final step is generating the image. Just click Generate. Your image will be ready within a few seconds. This is hands down the easiest way to create an avatar online right now. Play around with the settings until you're happy. I'll select the third one and then click Download. But wait, making an avatar is just the start. Let's make your avatar talk. We'll go to DupDub for the talking avatar. Now you're probably thinking, everyone talks about DupDub, so what's different here? Well, I'm giving you an exclusive 30% discount. And don't worry if you're tight on budget, I'll show you how to remove the watermark, no problem. We need to click on Sign Up. You can either sign up by filling out all the details, but I'll use my existing email instead. Once you're logged in, select the AI avatar, then click on New Avatar. You can either use one of the avatars provided by DupDub or upload the image we generated. I'll stick with the image we created together. You can either upload your own audio if you have it, but I'll use the voiceover from DupDub for this tutorial. Click Generate Talking Avatar. Then click Generate. The video should be ready within seconds. Let's preview the video and play it. Cute.
I was created in the simplest way possible. No one can make it easier than this.
Let's download it. Hold on, we're not finished yet. We still need to remove the watermark. Head over to this website to remove watermarks. Click Open File. Select the area to remove the watermark, then click Apply. Next, save your changes. Click Export, and save again. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think of your new avatar or if you have any questions. I love hearing from you.